Hi, my name is Riddhi Arora and I am going to present my accepted work on a deep neural CNN model with CRF for breast mass segmentation in mammograms in 29th European Signal Processing Conference. The motivation behind our work is to segment the breast mass or the lesion from the breast that grow aberrantly to cause fatal diseases of breast cancer. As we all know that breast cancer cases are increasing day by day, therefore new and novel methods of breast lesion delineation are highly encouraged. We have proposed residual connections and group convolutions in our proposed methodology. Residual connections use recurrent layer-like path for feature reuse and combinations by skipping some of the layers in between, and group convolution incorporates more features, that is the high-level features and the low-level minute features from the input images using their feature projection capability. And after the segmentation process, we have used conditional random field CRF as a post-processing mechanism for precisely annotating the mass boundaries. This is the diagram of a convolution block that we have used in every encoder layer of the proposed method. In the convolution block, a group convolution module is used in the channel wise fashion with filter size of 7 cross 7 and one filter per group of channels to incorporate low level minute features and every pixel region in the ROI area of the lesion in the breast. This is the proposed methodology of our framework, wherein the encoder and the decoder section contains the residual connections and group convolution. In the bottleneck area, we have used the Atrus convolution, that is the dilated convolution with the rate of 2 and 4 to increase the field of view. And lastly, we get the binary segmentation. After that, there are some of the quantitative results. From these results are obtained by different combinations of epoch and optimizers. From these results, we can see that the ADAM optimizer has produced best results with a combination of 65 epochs. These are some of the visual predictions of different optimizer and epoch combinations. From this image, we can see that the results produced by the ADAM optimizer on 65 epochs are best than the other two, RMS prop and SGDM optimizer. These are some of the visual predictions in total, where the second row shows the binary given labels and the fourth row shows the predicted results. From these results, we can see that the predicted results are very much in sync with the given binary labels. The fifth row shows the CRF results, and from these results we can see that CRF has minutely classified every pixel either in the background or in the foreground lesion area. This is the graph that shows the accuracy versus loss comparison on different optimizer and epoch combinations. And from this also we can see that ADAM optimizer incurs very less loss as compared to the other optimizers. CRF as an after prediction measure as a post processing technique is used, wherein it classifies every pixel either in the foreground or the background region. Therefore, lastly, we have incorporated a residual connection and group convolution in our proposed RG unit on 2D breast ultrasound ROI breast mass image dataset. Group convolution is used to extract the spatial dimension features, while residual connections is used to blend the features across channels and remove the vanishing gradient problem so that the network can have more depth and degradation is avoided. Lastly, after segmentation, to clear the unwanted predicted parts in the segmentation, we have used CRF conditional random field as a post-processing technique that analyzes the mass boundaries accurately. Thank you for checking out our work.